How to unlink your social account from Galxe ID. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up Galxe, then click on this option of login. But here, make sure that you log in using your social, whether Discord or Twitter. So let's sign up using Discord and authorize it. Then open up the settings and click on this option of wallet connect. And here scroll down, then select this option of Aptos over here and log in using any Aptos wallet. And after that, just simply log out. And this time, instead of logging in using Discord, we will scroll down and select the wallet that we just added on our Galxe and just simply click on that particular wallet. And after that, click over here, then select the option of cookies and site data, then click over here and remove the cache memory and cookies for this particular site. After that, you need to open up your settings, then open up social account over here and scroll down, and after that you would be able to find the option to remove this particular social, but only if you log in using your wallet that we connected in the first step. After that, log out. And this time log in using a different wallet and allow to sign in. Then you can just simply open up the settings of this particular wallet, go to socials, and here you can link your Discord. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.